Hello everyone, I am Sankari from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Today we are going to discuss communication, the subject for Allied Electronics 2 for CS second year. Topics to be discussed: definition, examples of communication system, why do we need communication system, block diagram of communication system, difference between analog and digital communication, and then conclusion. Let us discuss what is meant by communication. Communication means it is the connection between two points that for the purpose of information interchange. There are three essential things we must be present in basic communication system: sender or transmitter, then receiver in between communication channel. Examples of communication system: first one is face-to-face communication, normal communication. Then telephone communication. This communication done by wire, that is line communication. Third one is satellite communication. It is also called as wireless communication. Why do we need communication system? Communication needs five major purposes. First one, to inform, to express our feelings, to imagine, to influence, and to meet social expectations. Each of these purposes is reflected in a form of communications. This is the block diagram of communication system. Here there are three important elements are there. One is transmitter, next one is channel, third one is receiver. Here information source is the first part. Information source means our message. Last one is destination. Destination means our receiver part. In between some noise source is there. Let us discuss one by one. Information source. First part in our block diagram, information source. Various messages in the form of words, group of word, code, symbol, sound signal, etc. Transmitter. Transmitter main function is electric signal from different aspects. Modulation of messages is done in this transmitter side. There are lot of modulations are there: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation are there. These are the modulations are done in the transmitter only. Next element is channel. Here the channel, normal face to face communication, our channel is air. Some of the wireless communication means here some elements are there. The main function of channel is the medium through which the message travels from the transmitter to receiver. The point to point or broadcast channel are used as a medium. Noise. We know that noise is an unwanted signal. Receiver. Receiver is the last portion of the block diagram. Here, the main function of the receiver is to reproduce the message signal is electrical form from the distorted received signal. Next one is, what are the difference between analog communication and digital communication? Okay, here transmitted modulated signal. Modulated signal means our message is analog form. Here our message is digital form. Digital communication means our message is digital form. That is the messages in the form of pulses. Here amplitude, frequency, phase variations are there. Digital communication means amplitude, width and position modulations are there. Here noise immunity is poor. Here noise immunity is excellent. It is not possible to separate our noise and signal. Therefore, repeaters cannot be used. It is possible to separate signals from noise. That is, digital communication means there is no interruption. Okay, easily we can separate noise and signal. But analog communication, little bit difficult. Analog communication coding is not possible. Coding means programming. But digital communication programming is possible. Here bandwidth is required lower than the digital modulation method. Due to higher bit rates, higher channel bandwidth is required. FDM is used for multiplexing, that is frequency division multiplexing for analog communication. Time division multiplexing is for digital communication. Not suitable for transmission of secret information in military application. That is analog communication. We know that not used in the military applications. Due to coding techniques, it is suitable for military applications. Here some modulation, analog modulations are used. Amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, pulse amplitude modulation, amplitude wave modulations are there in analog communication. Digital modulation here, pulse code modulation, delta modulation, adaptive delta modulation, delta pulse code modulations are there. Conclusion. Till now we have discussed what is meant by communication and its block diagram. Then we have discussed difference between analog and digital communication. Next class we have to discuss what is meant by modulation. What are the types of modulation? What is meant by amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and phase modulation. Any questions? Thank you.